Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss the salts which are dissolved more in or solubility more in acidic medium. The salts which are going to dissolve more in acidic solution. The key factor is first any salt which contain strong conjugate base. That salt is going to be more soluble in acidic medium. So simple, any salt which contains strong conjugate base. Okay, any salt which contains strong conjugate base, that is going to be more soluble in acidic medium. Say for example, silver acetate, CH3COOAg, silver acetate. This is a salt. So this dissociate into acetate and silver ion. Okay, this acetate ion is react with H plus ion and form acetic acid. Okay, this is acidic medium solution. That's why this H plus ion react with CH3OO minus and form acetic acid. Here this acetic acid is a weak acid. This acetic acid is not again converted into acetate ion. Why? Because this is due to the weak acid. Acetic acid is further dissociated into acetate ion or H plus ions. So according to Le-Chatelet principle, as the concentration of acetate ion decreases here, as acetate ion decreases, the equilibrium will shift towards forward direction. Why? Because the concentration, according to Le-Chatelet principle, the concentration decreases on right side, automatically equilibrium will shift to right side to stabilize the concentration, to neutralize the concentration. So here the concentration decreases. So whenever the concentration of acetate uh, mm, silver acetate decreases, the solubility automatically increases. So solubility of acetate increases. Okay, take further examples. Take example, further example, PbI2 is dissociated into Pb2 plus I minus, 2I minus. Here I minus condition, first one condition, what condition? That must be contain strong conjugate base. This is a weak conjugate base. Weak conjugate base react with H plus, form HI. HI is a strong acid. Okay, HI is a strong acid. Due to the strong acidic nature, HI again converted into 2I minus. Here the concentration remain same or increase. Due to increase in the concentration, equilibrium always shift towards left. So the solubility of PbI2 remains same or decreased. Solubility is decreased in acidic solution, less soluble. Take another example. Another one is SnOH4 is dissociate into Sn plus 4 OH minus. Here Condition is what? Must be more solubility for any salt must be contain strong conjugate base. Here OH minus is a strong base. Okay, in the presence of H plus acidic medium solution, OH minus react with H plus and form water. Water is a weak acid. Water is a weak acid. So this water is not further dissociate into OH minus. So OH minus concentration decreases, or all OH minus ions are converted into weak acid. Whenever OH minus concentration decreases, equilibrium shift towards right right direction. So whenever equilibrium shift right direction, the concentration decreases, automatically solubility. Whenever concentration decreases, solubility increases. Okay, SnOH4 is more soluble in acidic solution. Take another example, then you get clear idea. FeS, this dissociate into Fe2 plus and S2 minus. It is a strong base. React with H plus and form H2S. This is a weak acid. So this weak acid not further dissociate into S2 minus. Okay, so the concentration of S2 minus decreases. Whenever concentration of S2 minus sulfide ion decreases, automatically equilibrium shift towards right direction. So the concentration decreases, solubility increases. Okay, the salt should contain strong base, so that strong base react with H plus ion and form weak acid. Okay, that weak acid not further a dissociate into further ions. Okay, next one is, take another example, KClO4. KClO4 is dissociated into K plus and ClO4 minus. Here similarly it is a ClO4 minus is a conjugate base of strong acid. Okay, conjugate base of strong acid, so that this must be a weak base. So react with H plus, form HClO4. This is strong acid, very strong acid. So in solution this is further not so this is all HClO4 is further dissociated into ClO4 minus. Okay, the concentration of ClO4 minus is remain same in solution. So the equilibrium shift to left side, the concentration increases, solubility decreases in acidic medium. Similarly, FeSO4, so sulfate ion here, SO4 minus 2 is a weak base, so it form H2SO4. This H2SO4 is a strong acid, so all H2SO4 converted again into SO4 2 minus, so concentration remain same, the equilibrium shift to left side, so solubility decreases. So given options only, first one silver CH3OO, silver acetate more soluble in acidic medium. I write down here silver acetate more soluble, and SNOH4 more soluble, and FeS more soluble, and that's it. Okay, given salts only these three salts are more soluble in acidic solution. Okay.